Why lots of the people loves to trade? And there is just one reason. This is the potential of the profit. Why another part of the people, they enjoying and investing huge amounts of money in the Forex, crypto and other financial markets. I can start this explanation by using lots of the smart words like this is independence, flexibility, accessibility, hedge of inflation and another stuff, but everything coming to one point. This is the potential of the profit. Yes, potential of making money. This is the most attractive point that pushing people to invest in the financial markets. And if we are comparing, let's say, Forex with the real estate, right now I'm staying in Dubai and here is like a real estate market is very big and those companies are selling that you can make up to 12% yearly. We know that in reality it's a little bit different, so your profit will be limited maybe for 6 to 7% yearly, but in the Forex business 60% of the yearly profit is not sounding like something huge. So today we'll talk about investment, so stay tuned till the end of the video because you will find how to find the best traders that you can trust, you can invest and you can make money. When we decide that we want to try our skills and also invest our own money in financial markets, we need to understand how we will participate there. We want to do the active trading by ourselves. We want to do more positional trading when we are going to the higher time frames and our profit depends on the major market movement in comparison to the active scalping, when we need just small movement inside of the day that happening every day. We have opportunity to make a profit, but also risk is way more higher and unpredictable in comparison to the positional trading. Or we want to do the copy trading. We are looking for profitable traders with the proven track record and we want to invest in their trading by creating portfolios and calculating some proper risk and money management. So in today's video we'll talk with you about the copy trading. Because this is the best way for investing from my personal opinion, and in our next videos we'll talk about also positional trading and active trading, so don't forget to subscribe for our channel and let's start talking about copy trading. If we are talking about copy trading services, I found that there are some stereotypes in the people's mind when they are saying that no one can trade better on my own account than I'm personally. And they are wrong a little bit. So first of all, copy trading is good for the beginners because this is the chance to watch on the real time, how experienced traders are like working. So they can take something from them. Because what does it mean copy trading? When the trader trading first of all on his own account and it's automatically copying to the investor's account. Just what you need to do is some adjustments with the risk management. Number two, it's very nice for experienced traders because they can diversify their own portfolio to understand the strategy from also profitable traders. So it's very nice when you are a profitable trader, but you need to diversify your portfolio and also moving with the market, because market is changing, a lot of different strategies and methods is coming, and you have a chance to learn from another traders how they are generating profit. Because listen, in the end everything depends what's the size or how much percentages you made from your deposit in the end of the month. So this is the most important point. Number three, this is very nice for the investors because these copy trading services is way better than Telegram channels. In Telegram channels you can write anything that you want. Let's say today I made 1,000 of the points, but where is the proof? In mostly trustable copy trading services you can find really public statistic that you can analyze, and based on it you can make your risk and money management. This is also very important, but the point is how to choose the good copy trading service. For my personal opinion, and who's watching my channel, 100%, and I'm a big fan of MQL5 website. If you know, by the way, another service is really nice and you highly recommend me to review it, how they are working and what kind of results we can find there, please write everything in the comment section. But why I like MQL5 website? First of all, number one, it's trustable website. Number two is independent website. Why it's trustable? Because the owners of this website, this is the company MetaQuotes, this is the developers of MT4 and MT5. You can go to any broker company in any point of the world, you can find MT4 and MT5. And we are not limited inside of the one brokers, because if we'll go to the website of any broker company, we can find their copy trading services, but all these copy trading services belongs to one company, and you can copying traders inside of this one broker company. You know, MQL5 giving me chance, let's say trading in broker A and copying like some signals from trader from Brazil that trading in the Forex broker company that I have never heard before, and I can't even make a deposit there because of this company super small and local one. So I have a more freedom. I can choose like a good signal provider from big variety of different signals. But this is the point, have to choose the profitable signals. And right now we'll go to my laptop and I'll show you my personal method how I'm choosing the best one. So guys, this is the MQL5 website. Here we can find different sections. In the beginning this website was just like a forum with people was chatting between each other. Then they create the market. So in the market you can buy different kind of products like EAs, indicators, different utilities like let's say the copy trading, etc. Then they create the section like a freelance also. Freelance, when let's say I have an idea, I want to create the bot. Let's say here EA required for momentum trading. I put the price at $30 and these guys already have around 8 applicants. So people are ready to create this bot based on his own idea. But what we are interested in, this is in the signal section when we can find some profitable traders. Before diving deeper to MQL5 website, I want to show you another website. Let's say like eToro. Right now eToro copy trading is also very popular, but as I told you, it's inside of the website. And let me show you one example of the broker company calling OctaFX. Why OctaFX? Because I was getting like several complaints about this broker company that they are selling results really huge, but in reality it's totally different. So when we are trying to find the copy trading, the traders that we can trust and make the copy trading, we need to know that website is really trustable. Let's open master trading top, and we will put top gainers. And wow, you see some of the guys, they are making 37,000 profit for all period of time, 31, 20,000. Of course it's not real. This is some kitchen style of playing that we can't trust to it. If we are going to more independent versions of the website, this is the Zulu Trade. By the way, Zulu Trade had before very nice idea. I didn't check them like recently, but before it was really nice. Why I like them? Because they was allowing to create the portfolios. Let's say in MQL5, what is the weak point? That you can subscribe one account to one signal provider. Here you was able to create the portfolio. Plus, if you are like good investor, you can also publish your portfolio. If it's really nice, you was able to share your ideas with another investor. So idea was really nice. And then if we're talking about signal Forex signal start, this is the project of MyFX book. Also really nice, but if we're talking, let's say I'm open here one signal and I can see the results. As you can see, it's a little bit limited, and very simple in comparison with the MQL5. If we're going to MQL5, let's say I want to open this kind of signal, you see, I can see there a lot of statistic, all the detailed information about trading, fully detailed statistic. And this is, for me, it's really important, and this is why I think that MQL5 website is really strong and big website, and I'm recommending it for subscription. But there is the problem, and what is the biggest problem is how to choose the best signal provider. Because let's say we have signals for MT5 and MT4. If we'll check MT5, we will put them by the list, and we can see exactly in one page there is 48 signal and 58 pages, so it's around 2,700 signals. 2,700. If we're going to MT4, the same, 48 signals in one page and 125 pages. Can you imagine? So it's around 6,000 signals. And MQL5, first of all, was very interesting for me because I'm also investing my own money in creating some like trading portfolio. So that's why for me I decided to create some special Excel file. This is Excel file. I'm doing the parsing from this website. It's allowing me in the quick way, to filter the signals. By the way, right now I will show you exactly how I'm doing the filtration and everything. But if you want to have the same Excel file, you can easily buy it. I posted on the website buymecoffee.com just with the price of $10. I think it's nothing. So save this website. I'll put in the description to this video. You can easily buy it. And right now let's go to my Excel file, because I will show you how I'm searching the best signals providers in MQL5 website. This video will be a little bit longer than usual, but if you want to do really successful investment, you need to watch this video to the end. So this Excel file, it's not about just best traders, but I want to show you also statistic, and based on this overall statistic I will make my personal recommendation. But first of all, we will start from the price. We can see there that 74% of all signal providers, they're putting just price from $30 to $35. And my personal recommendation, and we'll already go to our filtration, I'm not recommending to invest in the signal that costing more than $60, because it will impact on your account. So we'll put immediately less than $60 and filter it immediately. By the way, in one of my futures video, I want to create for you the review of the signal that costing more than $100, because we can see there that it's around like 7.5%, even more. So I'll make the review of those signals and I'll give you the answer if it's worth it and if we will be able really to find this good quality signal. The next point, this is the algo trading. My personal recommendation to invest just in the bots, and we can see based on the statistic that around, you see, just 15%, this is the algo trading, and some of them, you know, so using small parts of the algo trading. So we can say that 95 to 100%, it means they're using algo trading, because if I'll open some signal, I can see here, let's say I'll open the signal, see algo trading, it's 99%. So it means like he's using bot for his personal trading. If we're going to Excel file, we can understand. So 71% from all providers, that why you are becoming a provider. If you're trading in Plus and you want to post your results and you are expecting that someone will subscribe to your trading. So from all these profitable traders, and I mentioned you around like 8,700 people, around 71% they are using bots. It's just 14-15% they are using like trading manually. But in the beginning I will not filter it, because I want to show you exactly the statistic based on it. Then if we are going for the weeks, we can see exactly that, you know, consistency, it's very important point. And you see slowly when the guy is trading, in some points they are losing. And if we can see the signals even with more than let's say 60 weeks, it means just two years, it's just only 5%. So 32% is just like a beginner. So it's like around 11 weeks. It's not more than even 3 months. But I'm recommending in my filtration, if we will go to the weeks, I highly recommend to put greater than 36. So it means like around 1 year they are trading. Another criteria, this is the stream weeks, and stream weeks, by the way, it's also, guys, very important, because I'm not recommending you to trust for the signals like this one. You see, if we're going to the line of gross, we can see that some of them, it's like a blue, light blue color that he was trading before, and dark blue, it means the signal start streaming from this line, you know. So I'm recommending to trust for the signals that streaming at least for 30 weeks in MQL5 website. So we are going also to our file and immediately we are filtering them. So stream weeks, we are also putting greater than 36. Done. Then if we are talking about trades, let us go and to check trades per week. For my personal opinion, guys, at least need to trade 10 times per week, and this is the normal statistics. So around 55% of the signals, also they are trading just from 1 to 20 deals per week. By the way, Also, this is the stereotype of the people, that people are thinking if this is the bot, he need to trade a lot, he need to trade like 100 deals per day. No, you know, to be out of the market, it's also position, so no need to rush. You know, if this is the algo trade, you need to make as maximum deal as it possible. No, the profitable guy, what for you is like the most important. This is the result. Even if you make like just one deal per week, it will be more than enough for you if you will close position in the plus. But for my personal opinion, I'm really recommend that it should be at least greater than, let's say, 9 trades per week, 1 trades per day. Then if we are talking about I want to show you also the drawdown percentages. You see, it's the same. So a lot of the signals, mostly signals, they are trying to make for you the small drawdown, because they have a really understanding. If drawdown is really high, you know, people, it will be not attractive for the people. So that's why mostly like percentage of the drawdown, it's around up to 40%. So also we will do this in my calculation. Listen, in the end, what I will explain to you, I will show you also how to subscribe for the signal and how to control this risk of the drawdown. So no need to think, it's 40%, it's very risky. No, everything depends in the drawdown in the dollar. This is what we will talk about. Let's say here, if we are going to this kind of the signal, his percentage is 30%, but in dollars, like a drawdown, it's 32k. There is no point to use this bot. By the way, we need to check exactly how it is trading. Let me do and check it right now, because it also depends on the trading volume. He already almost lost his capital. By the way, I will leave this signal. This is very nice that I open it, because I will explain it to you why some of the signals I'm not recommending to use, and this signal exactly matching my explanation. Let's go back first of all to the Excel file, and we will put the drawdown. It should be, for my personal opinion, it should be lower than, less than, and we will put around, like, let's say 40%. Good. Then percentage of the drawdown, that, let's say, if we're talking about profitable months. My personal opinion with the profitable months, that if we want to choose a good trader that will manage our account for a long period of time, he should make at least 75% of profitable months. What I mean in that kind of case, let's say he's trading for 1 year, so from 1 year, at least 8 months he should close in plus. And also then we will check what kind of minuses it was. Let's say if we'll go back and to check this signal, you see he was making an average profit like 3-4-5%, but then 1 month, boom, minus 61%. This is not what we are looking for. But anyway, if we'll go to our Excel file, I will put there some limitation of profit months greater than 75%. Yes. Then if we are going about drawdown in the dollars, I'm not recommending to use the signal to check even the signal that was the drawdown more than $3,000. But let's put, not to be like very strict, less than $5,000. Good. And the recovery factor is one of the key points and very important in choosing the forex investment in general, you know, and criteria how to identify is this bot is good or no. In general, as per the book, recovery factor should be more than 2. Recovery factor, this is like a difference between the profit in dollars, you know, and the maximum drawdown in dollars. So to understand exactly what's the recovery factor, you should divide total net profit, divide on the maximum drawdown in dollars. You can see 721. So as per the book, it should be more than 2. Let's put here, it should be greater than 3. Yes, nice. Then profit months we put, average profit in percentages. It also depends, you know, like here, for example, this guy, he's making 5% monthly, but balance for 1% just 7.62. You know, it's very low. But this guy, he just making 1% per month, but his profit $196. So this is not very important, because I found that many people, they are running for big profit in percentages. You see, like that guy, he's making 18% per month in average, you know, but balance for 1%, this is like a $30. It's not bad, by the way. But very important thing that I want to try to explain to you, this is profit pips per trade. And I want to show you this signal that a lot of the people complaining about. This is this guy, it's Brazilian guy. One more time, you know why I like MQL5 website? Because I can easily make a subscription to this Brazilian guy. And by the way, I was recommending this signal for a long time. He was trading good, but I found there is big delay in execution. He's trading from 2020. If we will go to see all his signals, mostly all signals, you see all his signals trading in plus. But a lot of the people complaining about the execution. And why this is the problem? And this is the profit pips per trade. As you can see, some of them has the really low, like here you see 39. But by the way, I'm thinking that this is the same signal. Yes, you see. So in my rating, he's one of the top, but we will not use it because of super small take profit that he's closing. For us, it will be delays during the copy trading, and it will make negative impact. So that's why comments here is really bad. Of course, for the proper copy trading, you need to choose right VPS with the small like delays, but I will explain you everything that in our futures videos. But for right now, what we need to choose is the profit pips per trade greater than, and we'll put around 60. Yes. And guys, what I was trying to explain you right now, just by doing this simple filtration, if we'll go to check what's the quantity of the signal, just 59, you know. So already from around 8,000 signals, we choose just 59 signals. By the way, I want to show you also regarding the recovery factor. You see, mostly signals with the smaller recovery factor, but this is very important criteria. So that's why I choose more than 3. If I'll choose more than 4, it will be even less. This recovery factor from 0 to 1, and by the way, there is 30%, it's not good at all, because when we investing, for us what's important, this is the ROI, you know, and every time potential of making profit should be more than our maximum risk. For which kind of signals I'm not recommending to subscribe, because there will be the question how to subscribe. If you want to know how to subscribe, I'm recommending checking my video on my YouTube channel, how to subscribe to profitable signals providers, you know, and then I will also attach some specially text file with the explanation of different scenarios of subscription, so to make your life way more easier in that. Anyway, if you want like my opinion, because what is my main like selling services for the people, I'm helping people to create the portfolio in MQL5 website. I'm creating portfolios based on the different trading strategies, based on the different providers, based on your amount. We are calculating the money management, the risk management, and then you are investing your own money. So if you want to invest and do the proper stuff through MQL5 website, do not try to contact me. I will leave my link to my personal Telegram in the description. So guys, sorry for that I made this video a little bit longer, but you know, smart investments will take a time, and if you want to make a money, it will take a time. So thank you guys for watching this video. In my next videos, I will start posting something like ratings, so my top recommendation for every month. So stay tuned with the Trading Club channel, and let's make money together. See you in our next video.